Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. Currently, VTC is trading on 21,600 while I am recording the video. So, this video would be quick market update analysis based on yesterday's market update video. In this video, we will analyze BTC on 4-hour as well 30-minute time frame. So, before we get into the video, I would like to show you my Discord where we didn't trade any specific signal yesterday, but I clearly told these guys that the bounce is pretty much scam and you can short it. So they depending on my analysis, they went short on BTC again. It was not a proper signal, but under my guidance they went short on BTC, and this guy again made 200 USD profit, and all of these guys traded short on BTC. But that was not a specific signal because we didn't trade any specific move yesterday. So if you also want to join me on Discord, you can DM me either on Telegram or either on Twitter. So I would let you know what's the criteria to join me on Discord. So currently, guys, we are on BTC USD 4-hour time frame. What is currently retailers are seeing right now? We can see formation of a bullish pennant. This is actually a bullish structure, and now they are possibly seeing this retest of this trend line, and they are thinking to long BTC from current value. Okay, so this was the first scenario what retailers are expecting the move. So what I'm seeing currently in market is we had formed two equal highs right here, and much liquidity lies above the two equal highs. This all move was actually the grab of liquidity which lied above these two equal highs, and now this move down is actually this move down will result a small move up, which would be actually an order block in the smaller time frames. We would see a retest of that order block, and then we can see a possible drop of price till this green box or this order block right here, or this unmedicated order block right here. So why will price drop and why will price go up? Let me explain this also. So currently we are on BTC USD 4-hour time frame. We can expect a small move up from price, then moving towards lower zones. Why will price move up? Because currently the two equal highs got broken, and now price can retest that order block which is forming basically on the lower time frame, but we'll not discuss that stuff right now. So we might see a possible move up and then a small move up and then drop till this green box right here. Why will price drop here? Because liquidity lies in the form of imbalance right here, and obviously below this is the unmedicated order block. We might see possible move down of price. It may be till 20,500, and then we will find possible opportunity of bounce in market either from this zone or either from this zone. So currently we are according to me, we are in a situation that we don't have any trading zones currently in market. We have this zone and this zone to show to long to go to find a possible bounce in price. Currently going long from this zone, I don't, so it would be a good idea, but we can see a small move up in price, but this does not means to long it. Okay, we might see a small move up and then move down towards this zone or this zone. To trade with better risk management, we have to wait, and then we have to find a good confirmational entry, just like we trade with our VIPs on Discord. We wait a couple of hours, or maybe 24 to 28 36 hours, or maybe to 48 hours for one trade, and then we take a confirmational entries, and then our VIPs obviously enjoy that trade. So this was BTC USD 30-minute 4-hour time frame. Let's get into 30-minute and analyze what's happening. So first of all, we can see volume declining, and then this is the bullish structure that we discussed on 4-hour time frame, and now price broke through out it, and now it's trying to retest this. So we might see this move, we might see a move up and then move down towards this zone, move up because to test the order block based on lower time frame analysis. Then we can expect a move down towards this zone or this zone, or might be this zone. So guys, this was today's market analysis video. Hope so guys it's clear for you that I'm expecting a small move up and then a move down towards this, and then a possible bounce in market. So this was my prediction based on today's market analysis video. So this does not mean to trade blindly or trust my predictions. I can be wrong at any time or any year. So make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join us on Telegram if you want free trading signals. So thank you very much.